children she has raised. You can see in the husband I am. You can see the ministry we have. You can see what you see today. People come here, I came here while they were working and I could see she's so stressed. But she has done a fantastic job. Honey, thank you so much. She spent more time with our children. Not only when they were, because 9 months she was holding them from me in her womb. But when they were born, she was there. She has been there. And she could juggle between those who were here, London, the US, and she could spend months making sure that the girls have settled in well. Make sure that Robert has settled in well. And she has paid a price. Oftentimes we men, we are praised when things are okay. But I want to tell you, these are not easy kids to raise. Thank you, man. You have made me proud. You have raised our children. You have loved our children. Not just to love them, but also to make sure that they turn out to be the best they can. And as you heard Robert was saying, that they were in Los Angeles. She had gone to preach, so she sent a ticket to Robert to come and see her. Prior to that, she had flown into Tulsa, Oklahoma, and things were not going well, but she made sure that Robert gets a better place, and better things, and shopping things, and as everybody else would need. Degrees these days are for 4 years, 5 years, whatever. Earlier years was only 3. At the same time, still taking care of me, taking care of ministry, taking care of so many people that she does. So, Pastor Jessica, I want to thank you. I want to thank you. We are here today because of her. God has gifted her with everything I ever wanted. If my mom was here, he would say exactly what you have said about Malina. Thank you for loving us. We are somewhere today, I know because of God, because of the Holy Spirit, but mostly because of you. She has faith to believe for the impossible. When we couldn't have children for 5 years, she didn't give up. And when you were young, you just come out of campus and you got married. And you were in a ministry where they believe in miracles. And others, you are praying for them, others get a miracle, but there's no miracle in your house. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. But she couldn't give up. At that time, intensely, we were traveling around the world. What would have been our firstborn was a miscarriage. That threw us back again. But we decided to go. And this is really amazing because the other things that we'll talk about them on Robert's wedding and Marina's wedding. But let me just be brief with this. God gave me something more than 50%. He gave me more than 3/4. He gave me 99.99. All I do, I have only 0.5 or 0.1. Thank you for being there. I'm so grateful. And she has worked for this tirelessly. She has gone out doing everything. All I do is to grab a microphone like today. Do you imagine she even sought out to get us these materials for our councils, thinking about my clothes. Where did you find such a woman? Point number 2. I want to thank the parents of Marlene. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for trusting us with your daughter. I remember that Christmas morning when you were talking with Robert. Robert he didn't know what to do. So I said, let's make a room. Let's ask. COVID is on, but let's. He said, what do I say? I said, just ask.